One of the questions you might be wondering about is how your schedule in college will be different than in high school. This video will give you some information about how the semester is structured and how your class schedule might look. Ohio State operates on a semester calendar system. There are 2 semesters, autumn and spring, and a summer term. Autumn and spring semester are both 15 weeks in length, plus final exams. The summer term is 12 weeks long, but not all students take courses during the summer. Within each semester are also shorter sessions, which are 7 weeks in length. Some courses, like first-year seminars, may be offered in the first or second session of a semester. The classes you register for during orientation are just for your first semester, or the first 15 weeks. You will register for your next set of courses partway through your first semester, which gives you an opportunity to evaluate how your current classes are going, whether you're sticking with the current major plans or exploring other options, and getting some additional guidance from your advisor. We tend to talk more about how many credit hours a student should enroll in, rather than the number of classes they should take. 12 credits is the minimum number for full-time enrollment, but taking an average of 15 credits per semester keeps you on track to graduate within 4 years. Tuition costs are the same for students who register for 12 to 18 credits. We do not recommend taking more than 18 hours, especially in the first semester. Students who wish to take more than 18 credits in a term must petition to do so and will be charged an extra fee for every credit over 18. Most courses at Ohio State are 3 credit hours, although you will find that some are more, 4 or 5, primarily in foreign language courses or science and math classes, while others may only be 1 credit hour, such as your university survey class in your first semester. A credit hour equates roughly to the amount of time per week that you will spend in class, so a 3-credit course will meet approximately 3 hours per week. Your academic advisor at orientation will help make sure your schedule is balanced. When you are reviewing the course catalog and class schedule, you will notice that classes have an abbreviated course component type next to each piece of the class. These components let you know what kind of class it is and how it will be taught. Lecture is abbreviated by LEC. Lectures are usually a large class where general information is taught to the group. Lectures are typically 55 minutes 3 times per week, or 1 hour and 20 minutes 2 times per week. REC stands for recitation. Recitations are generally a smaller subgroup of a larger lecture class, where an instructor or a teaching assistant, or TA, goes over homework problems, answers questions from lecture, administers quizzes, and more. Lab indicates a lab. Labs are longer class periods where students complete lab work in a science course. Lab designation is also used for performing in visual arts studios or ensembles and might be connected to a lecture or a recitation. SEM stands for seminar. Seminar classes tend to be smaller in size and more discussion-oriented. During orientation, your academic advisor will provide more information about how your first semester schedule should look based on your anticipated major or area of interest. With all of the nuances of the different degree programs, your academic advisor will make sure that your first semester schedule gets you started on the right path.